Open the glove box. Unhook the dampener arm. Push in on both sides of the glove box to release the stops. Remove the glove box assembly and set it on the floor. Remove the old filter from the housing and clean out any debris inside. Install your new AQ1149 filters into the housing with the arrow pointing up. Reinstall the glove box assembly. Partially close the glove box so that the stops re-engage. Reinstall the dampener arm. Close the glove box.
Order your parts today at filterheads.com. Also, please like our video and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any new content.